How to fix unexpected store exception error in Windows 11. 1. Check system components, from CPU to RAM and to graphics adapter. 2. Update all your device drivers using the recommended Avast driver updated in this video guide. 3. Run your Windows in its clean boot and remove any conflicting applications using the recommended Uninstall Tool Pro in this video guide. 4. Run the SFC and check disk scan as administration 5. Update Windows 11. 6. Turn off fast startup.